I'm going to show you how to make the best paper airplane ever. So first, you take your piece of paper, like this. It can be any paper. You grab it. Yep. Crumble it up. And now we're going to get it to fly to the target, which is that trash can. And he missed. Okay. Let's make a new one. Did it. See, it's the easiest and best paper airplane ever. It can fly the farthest. Hit that window. He did it. Let's go test it outside. See how far it can go. Well, welcome outside. Let me get the plane out, and we're gonna see how far it can fly outside. Pretty far. It's pretty good. See what I'm saying? Can even fly high up. Oh god. It's very accurate when you throw it. Like, I can hit this tree very easily. Oops. I did it! Crap. Yeah! Best paper airplane ever. And the best part is, no matter what it hits, it doesn't take damage. And if it gets deformed somehow, like if you like step on it, it's easy to put back in its normal form. And you can make it into different ways. Like you can make it like this. And it'll still fly. Oops. Yeah. See? Always flies great. And let's say you do step on it. It still flies amazing. See? So that was the best paper airplane ever. And it's true, because it is. So I'll see you guys later.